nagtatago sa titulo? Sa biringan o sa iknatodya? Charot lang. Di pa lang.
Ganda. Good evening, Miss Marby. How are you doing?
I'm good.
Okay lang?
Yes.
Alright, so you can now pick your judge. Your judge is Judge number 4, Miss Catering. Punta mag-iamatay ka. Charos.
Hi.
Hello, ma'am.
Very well, sir. Thank you. So, ayan, hindi na ako mag-i-English kasi yung English ko pang siya na pula. Kung may isang taong babalikin ko, sino yun? Si Jones? Charot! Charot lang. Okay. Mag-promotion muna tayo. Kung tatanungin ka, saan nga ba nagtatago si titulo? Sa biringan o sa iknatodya? Charot lang. Di pa lang. Okay, ito na ha? Okay. Ninakaw ko lang itong question na ito para sa'yo. What makes you unique as a contestant in this pageant and why?
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for a wonderful question, ma'am. Well, for me, the unique for myself is I have three things that should be defined for myself. A, B, C. A stands for attitude, B, beauty, C, confidence. That's all. Thank you.
Wow! Kala mo naintindihan ko. Charot.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Miss Barbie Fortesa. That is ABC, attitude.